let's see how far I can get before I get rained on. Hopefully the spoiler alert is I can make it all the way. Go through a little shortcut here so I don't have to sit in the light. It sucks about riding a motorcycle is that when you want to go fast and you got somebody in front of you, it sucks. They'll kick up rocks and they'll throw out cigarettes and they'll wash their windows, and when they wash their windows it just sprays all over you. It's not my favorite. It also sucks if they're driving a diesel and they puff out one of those big plumes of black smoke and you're just basically sitting in it, or it just coats you. A lot of times though, I mean, you can get around people pretty easy, and sometimes people even pull over if they know that there's a bike behind them and they don't want to be a jerk and block them in or whatever. So fortunately I don't really have that far to go, and there's no place to pull off right here, and there's no real way for me to get around them unless I want to do it on a double line. And I don't know, lately I've been seeing kind of cops come through here, and I don't really want to go to or get pulled over just because I'm impatient, even if I am trying to beat the rain. Jesus, look at this guy. Well, that was almost an accident there. Dude was mad. I get it. I'd be mad too. This guy in this car in front of me, man, pulled right out in front of him. And I guess some people might think that that's a four-way stop. It's definitely got that feel. Definitely feels like it might be a four-way stop, but if the sign doesn't say it's a four-way and you don't see a stop sign on the other side, it's probably not. Man, it feels good to be on a bike again. I really did miss it. just realized I got the rain guard on this tank bag and it's catching all the wind, so it's just like poofed up. I'm glad I didn't lose the cover, I guess. It was supposed to rain today. It was supposed to rain, according to the Weather Channel, it was supposed to thunderstorm from 11 a.m. damn near through 7 or 8 p.m. And I went ahead and rode this morning because, you know, my rule is just, if it's nice when you leave, you ride. And I did, and I'm glad I did because it never did rain at work today. And it looks like, barring something crazy, I'm going to make it home without getting a drop on me. So that's a plus. This was a short one. Almost saw an accident. Avoided getting rained on. Good plan. Ooh, this guy's trying to get his mowing done. I feel you, dude. I literally just got off my bike and now it's starting to rain. If you look over in the distance, that's where I came from. Looks like I made it just in time. Getting wet's not the worst thing in the world, but it is nice if you can avoid it. Hell yeah. She's still dry. And now it's coming down even harder. Getting stuck out in this really sucks. Big old fat rain.